friends, my name is Jayant. I study in grade 5. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Jayant. I post math videos and through my videos I share the concepts with you. Today we are going to learn about estimating sums and differences. So let us get started with today's topic. We know what sums are and we know what differences are. So now let us know what does estimation mean. So what is estimation? Estimation is like approximation or a value close by to the number. Suppose we say that there were 1884 students in a school. So we usually say that there were 1900 students in that school. You can see that how we are not telling the exact value, but we are saying a close by value. So this is what estimation is. Now let us learn how do we use this in sums and differences. So now we can estimate to the nearest tens, to the nearest hundreds, to the nearest thousands and so on. In maths this is called rounding off. So now let us estimate the sum. So how do we do this? So in this, first we get our actual sum. Actual sum means our normal addition and subtraction. So 427 plus 334. So our actual sum was 761. Now in our estimated sum, estimate means an approximate value. So we are going to get an approximate value of the answer. So 427 first has to be rounded off. So the first step is to round off both the add-ins. So 427 becomes 430. 334 can be written as 330. So now once we add them, we get our answer so fast. So you can see that the estimated sum is so close to the actual sum. Yet it took so much more time to solve the actual sum than our estimated one. Now let us estimate the sum to the nearest hundreds. So over here we rounded off the number to the nearest tens. Now we will round off to the nearest hundreds. Over here also we are going to find first the actual sum. So our actual sum means that we are going to add the numbers normally. So 2847 is 7963. 7 plus 3 0, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 8 9 plus 9 18, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 2 3 plus 7 10. So 10,810 is the actual sum. Now let us find the estimated sum. So our estimated sum is again going to be a close by answer, and you will see that how much less time we will take to solve this. So 2847 can be written as 2800 when rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Now 7963 when rounded off to the nearest hundreds becomes 8000. So once we add them, we are going to get 10,800. You can again see how close these answers are, yet it takes so much time to find the actual sum than the estimated sum. Now where do we use this? Suppose on Monday, 497 chocolates were sold, and on Tuesday 334 chocolates were sold. So now how many chocolates were sold in all? Over here we don't need to find the actual answer, we can just find the estimated sum. Like how we estimated the sum to the nearest tens and to the nearest hundreds, now we have to estimate the difference to the nearest tens and nearest hundreds. Over here also the procedure is the same. So first we are going to find the actual difference, not the actual sum, the actual difference. So 747 minus 681. So 747 minus 681 gives us 66. Now we find the estimated difference. The estimated difference is going to be close to 66. So 747 when rounded off to the nearest tens gives 750, and 681 when rounded off to the nearest tens gives us 680. Now once we subtract them, we get 70. You see that we took so much more less time to solve this than this, and yet the answers are so close. Now we have to estimate the difference to the nearest hundreds, not to the nearest tens, to the nearest hundreds. Procedure is the same, just that you have to now round up to the nearest hundreds. So our actual difference, first we are going to find 3285 minus 1497. Once we subtract them, 5 minus 7, borrow. 7 minus 9, not possible, so again borrow. 17 minus 9, 8, 1 minus 4, not possible, 3 becomes 2, 1 becomes 11, 11 minus 4, 7, 2 minus 1, 1. So our actual difference would give us 1788. Now let us find the estimated difference. Now our estimated difference is going to be close by to the real difference. So 3285 when rounded off to the nearest hundreds, this is 3300. And 1497 when rounded off to the nearest hundreds will give us 1500. Now let us check how fast we will subtract them. 13 minus 5, 8, 2 minus 1, 1. So you see that how close the answers are, yet it takes so much time to find the actual one. Now where can we use the estimated difference? Let's say that in a country the 3285 people were living. In another country 1497 people lived. So now we have to find out how many more people lived in country A than country B. So over here we can just do an approximation. Hope you understood how to estimate sums and differences. Thank you.